After an intriguing video of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput with partner Rhea Chakravarti surfaced yesterday, now India Today has accessed a fresh video. Take a look at this. The video on your screen is of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, where he's seen sitting on his terrace and is flying paper planes. Next to Sushant Singh Rajput, you can see that very famous and his prized telescope. Remember, Sushant Singh Rajput had a deep fascination for space, astronomy, physics, which he often spoke about, especially via his telescope love as well. This video on your screen is meanwhile from 20th April 2020. Sushant Singh Rajput seems to be in a happy, cheerful mood, and a female voice can also be heard in the background encouraging him to continue to fly those planes. However, it's not clear yet about whose voice that is. I want to go across now to Mumbai because my colleague Pankaj Upadhyay is tracking all the latest. Pankaj, it is a happy video, but it also makes one sad to take a look at how that actor is no more. He appears cheerful, somebody is cheering him on. But are these going to be videos that investigators will want to look at?
Oh, of course, Pooja. Definitely these videos will be looked at. And the reason is that the investigative agencies have drawn the personal graph, the professional graph, and the financial graph of the actor so as to understand as to what was his entire life like, as to what he was doing in the last couple of months and weeks and days as well, especially what was happening between 8th and the 14th. There is one more video that has come out in which Rhea Chakravarti is talking with Mahesh Bhatt as well. So the agencies are saying investigations is still on. They are taking cognizance of each and every video. They are saying perhaps some of the videos might not have direct relation to his death, but they will be taking a deeper look and analyzing each and every video or electronic evidence that is coming out. I'm stationed outside the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters in Mumbai, and even on a weekend, the NCB says that the searches, raids, interrogation will continue even today. The mystery remains unsolved, whether it was a suicide or a case of homicide as well. But then every day, new electronic evidences are coming out, and the agency are saying that they are taking cognizance of every evidence that's coming out. And the reason is, as I said, the agencies have drawn the entire graph so as to understand his lifestyle as well, because they are saying when the final report comes out, it has to be conclusive in nature. There has to be no scope for ifs and buts. And that's the reason why all these evidences are so important, and agency says they'll be taking a very closer look at each and every evidence.
So they'll be analyzing this video as well. Remember, he died on June 14th. This is a video dated April, 2 months before. Pankaj, thank you very much. I want the viewers to just listen in and watch this video again.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.